Tired of Gmail's button labels cluttering your screen? Switch between icons and text in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to change it. Just follow these simple steps. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Now, click on See All Settings to open the full settings panel. In the General tab, scroll down until you find the Button Labels section. Click on Icons to display icons instead of text labels on your buttons. Or click on Text to show text labels instead. Once you've made your choice, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Gmail will then refresh and apply your new button label style. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.